So today's workout is a intense 10 minutes workout and I'm here with
Lena Snow.
So if you guys are wondering why she's here, do check out my vlog over here. And yeah, so today's workout is a pretty intense workout, 7 exercises, 30 seconds on and 10 seconds off, 2 sets, and we have a burnout round as well. And let's jump straight into it. Let's start with skater hop. So try to take a big step to the right, to the left. So the low impact version would be just doing it without the jump. So next we got high knee. So you can go really high impact or low impact like this. Alright, let's start. For low impact, let's go slower. Alright? Next, we got squat jump. So if you can't do the jump, just do squats only, alright? Make sure your core is engaged, guys. It's gonna be hard. Next exercise, burpees, guys. Everyone's favorite.
We're gonna die.
For low impact version, you just do it without jump, like that. Alright? But I'm all about that low impact. If you can do the high impact, go for it. If not, just do the low impact. Plank hops, bunny hops. So this is one of my favorite exercises for obliques. Right, let's do it. So if you can't do the high impact version, you just do almost like a blindness, like that. Five more seconds. You can do this. Oh my god. Okay. You're doing well. We're jumping lunges. Alright, guys. Switch. 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 So if you can't do that, you just do regular lunges. Alright? Alright, we got 30 seconds break. Take a breath. If you guys want to, you can take a long break. It's totally fine. Make sure you're well rested before you start the next set. I'm gonna keep moving. So if you want to burn more calories, just keep moving.
Burn those calories.
You're doing really good.
Yeah. I feel like I'm dying.
It's okay. You have a good dinner at lunch later. Also, oh my god! Skin hops, guys! So I'm going to be doing the high impact versions from now onwards. Lena, feel free to swap if you need to.
That sounds good to me.
Breathe, guys. Next is high knee. Really good to bring your heart rate up using high knee. Again, if you're on low impact, just do without the jumping. Yeah, that's it. Low impact life. Squat jump is next. So it's squat jump over squat. But if you can't do the jump, then just do the squat. So if you guys want the low impact version, please do follow Lena. The combination's off. Sometimes hard. Which is why I don't do live workout videos. Because I can't coordinate.
No, you're doing amazing. I don't even know how you're talking right now.
What's next? Mountain climbers.
Okay, that's easy too.
Yes. Come on guys, for the fast, the control. Squeeze your abs. Ten more seconds to go. You can do this.
Not as easy where you start doing it.
3, 2, 1, yeah! Okay, burpees.
Alright.
You can do it all in time if you want to.
Don't have to ask you twice.
That was insane. Body hops. Hoppy hop.
Seriously, Chloe's like killing me right now.
Okay, so yeah, if you can't do body hops, do burpees. Jumping lunge, stance. If you can't jump, then just do lunges. So without the jump, you just take it slow like that. Alright?
So effective.
Still as effective, guys. So 10 more seconds. Try to do the switch. Switch. Oh my god. Alright. 5 seconds break. Then we got tuck jump. This is our burnout exercise. Last exercise. You can do this. almost like high knee, right? But if you can, hop jump, hop jump. Oh my god, that's so good, guys. 10 minutes. You've done well. How are you feeling, Lena?
Dying.
You're sweating so bad.
Yeah.
She's so good.
Yeah. Oh my god.
So guys, do check out Lena Snow. Do you want to shout out your channel?
Yeah, just let us know if you're interested in low impact workouts.
Alright guys, I hope you have a great workout. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and also turn on notification. And also don't forget to check out Lena Snow. And we'll see you in the next workout. Bye!